Alright. Okay, what is Nusa Cap? Nusa Capital adalah sama juga dengan Microlip. We are governed and licensed and registered with the Securities Commissions. Di mana kita ni adalah syarikat P2P yang bertauliah dengan Suruhanjaya Security Malaysia. Alright. We are one of the first regulated Sharia compliance company. Back in the days, we are one of the first. Then comes Microlip and other P2P company. Alright, ini semua standard. Alright, kita whatever survey check out, 8% populations of MSME is not unbankable, meaning you are not allowed to take any financing. So, secara total 73% rakyat di seluruh Asia, Southeast Asia is not bankable, di mana dia orang tidak boleh dapat apa-apa kemudahan. Financing ke, savings ke, tidak ada. Di Malaysia 8%. Alright. So, this is actually what we found out. Apa yang kita dapat tahu daripada survey kita buat last year. Dekat sini kita ada, dekat sini, how to do the laser. Alright. Here, it says here limited banking and investment opportunity. Maksud dia 8% rakyat Malaysia tidak boleh dapat loan dan tidak boleh invest duit dia orang. Kenapa? Adalah sebab-sebab tertentu. Meaning they are not properly registered, they are a company yang ada enterprise tapi duit tak pernah masuk, so they are not eligible. Alright. And then lack of credit scoring. Ini paling penting untuk sesiapa sahaja yang nak ambil financing, termasuk dengan Nusa Capital, Microlip, funding societies. You need to have a simple credit scoring. Maksud dia you kena ada savings, you kena ada bank account to make sure that you are eligible when we check your name in CTOS or CRIS, you are there. Itu paling penting. As a start, secara permulaan you need that. Okay, and then satu lagi is preference. Ramai tidak tahu apa itu Microlip, apa itu Nusa Capital dan apa itu funding societies. So we are not a bank, but we do operate like a bank. Di mana kita akan buat peer to peer, meaning all our money, sesiapa saja yang ambil loan kena apply seperti bank, but it's more relaxed. Dia tidak se-rigid bank. Kita ada leeway sikit lah, so kita boleh pejam mata sikit on certain aspect of the criteria. Okay. Alright. Satu lagi risk adverse. Ramai tidak tahu. So kebanyakan entrepreneur atau PKS atau MSMEs you guys prefer to go to bank because bank is well known. Dekat dalam Malaysia ni semua orang tahu bank rakyat, BSN. But very small people dekat Malaysia ni yang tahu apa itu P2P, apa itu peer-to-peer financing. Ramai tak tahu. Siapa kat sini tahu Nusa Capital? Before you come here, do you know anything about P2P or not? Tak ramai kan? So today, we are so thankful with SME Corp to be given this opportunity, diberikan peluang untuk promote produk kita. Kita pun bantu orang juga bagi dari segi bank loan. Kita ni the alternative financing. Kita ni alternatif selain bank. Kita bukan along, kita nak tolong. So don't worry about that. So we are not going to be like loan shark yang charge tinggi-tinggi, tak ada. Kita lebih kurang bank saja. So, alright. Ini standard slides. Kenapa kita perlu Nusa Capital? Kenapa kita perlu Microlip? Kenapa kita funding societies? Why do we need alternative financing? Number one, for many Malaysian, kebanyakan rakyat Malaysia, dia nak alternative financing, dia tahu, oh, I go KPKT license holder. Along berlicense, tidak berlicense. When you first come in, you sign your death note, so-called with the unlicensed KPKT. Apa jadi? Loan dia tinggi sangat. Interest rate 10% sebulan, 5% sebulan, 12% sebulan. You buat berniaga pun yang mati. Orang Kedah kata memang dah gali kubur lah. So now, that's the biggest problem for Malaysian, especially the small PKS owner ni, yang MSMEs yang nak buat nasi lemak, yang nak buat kedai jahit, yang nak buat taska, yang nak jual tudung. Semua ni dia tak ada avenue. Because number one, you don't have the credit scoring. So that's where it becomes systemic issues untuk rakyat Malaysia. Sebab itulah kita ada semua MHO, semua nak tolong orang yang dah terkena dengan alung-alung jahat ni. Alright. And then satu lagi, short repayment period. Kalau you buat dengan alung ni, you punya monthly payment you kena buat every month. They call it so-called interest payment ni dah on a monthly basis. And it's very high. Some of it can be 10%, some of it can be even 15% a month. Mati you. Okay, and then number one is this lah. Lack of financial education. Ini kalau tak ada orang educate, nobody will know about P2P, about ECF-nya infrastructure yang telah disediakan oleh kerajaan melalui Suruhanjaya Security untuk tolong PKS atau MSME ni. Alright. So I'm not gonna elaborate a lot more. So ini adalah standard. We are one of the first one yang been awarded the P2P license back in the days. Back in 2017, Nusa Capital adalah one of the first pioneer yang buat benda ni. We are one of the new that time P2P financer. Kita buat syariah compliant 100%. Okay. So today I'm going to explain to you about this program. This program will be launched soon by next month. Is to help eventually, unfortunately, only Bumiputra entrepreneurs atau syarikat yang mempunyai 60% owner Bumiputra. It is called BMFI at BIP. Alright, Bumiputra MSME Financing Initiative untuk Bumiputra Enterprise Enhancement Program. Why we are doing this is because we know that there's a lot of Bumiputra atau Bumiputra company, syarikat Bumiputra yang mempunyai daya tinggi untuk terbang lebih jauh. So with SME Corp dengan approval of Kementerian Pembangunan Usahawan dan Koperasi, we launch this program. We have this. So what is this program? Okay, dia akan launch by next month. Tak berapa hari lagi. Alright. So ini adalah kolaborasi between SME Corp dan Nusa Capital untuk membantu business ecosystem, especially Bumiputra. Kita ni ada alternatif lah. Meaning, if you can't go to the bank, if you cannot afford to get a bank, lending atau bank loan, you can come to us. But of course, there's a criteria lah. Okay. So, if you have question, feel free to stop me and ask. If you need any more elaborations or explanations, you can just raise your hand and we'll do this interactively. Yeah. Alright. This is the criteria. Sangat-sangat mudah. Alright. Nombor 1, kena syarikat. Enterprise, Sdn Bhd. Tidak boleh individu lah. Kita tak bagi individu loan. Number 2, kena ada operation at least 1 year. Setahun in operations. Kena ada operation lah. Atau lebih, you kena ada 300,000 in annual sales. Maksud dia syarikat you, enterprise you mesti ada 1 tahun atau 300,000 ringgit in annual sales. Maksud dalam setahun tu you kena 300,000. Alright. Kita boleh bagi normal Bumiputra loan. Maksud dia kita bagi working capital loan, we can give invoice financing and PO financing, meaning sekiranya you all dapat SST daripada kerajaan, daripada syarikat-syarikat untuk supply barang, you can come to us as well. We will tengok either you are eligible or not. Okay? Okay, and then it must be PKMS certified. Maksud dia you kena ada certifications ini MSME lah. Right? Paling, this is the caveat, it must be a Bumiputra status company. Syarikat Bumiputra sahaja yang boleh apply untuk kita punya skim ni. Atau 60% or more Bumiputra ownership. Maksud dia, satu Sdn Bhd, 60% of the shares and director must be a Bumiputra. Then you can apply for us. Satu lagi, kena ada valid business premises. We will consider if you have a visual office, but it depends on case to case basis lah. Alright. Okay, kriteria ada. Kita hanya interest rate kita sangat-sangat rendah. Kita bagi up to 3.5% per annum. Meaning our loan, our interest is the same or similar to bank. Might be lower as well. And then this is the minimum and this is the maximum. Meaning setiap satu syarikat dibenarkan untuk ambil 30,000 secara minimum dan maksimum 200,000 untuk satu syarikat. So if you are eligible to get more, then we will tell you, okay, we'll give you more. If you're only eligible to get 30,000 ringgit, then you dapat 30,000 lah. Semua tu bergantung kepada credit scoring kita. Our credit scoring is not like bank. Kita slightly relax, but we will do from your submissions, kita boleh bagi tahulah you allowed to get 30k atau 200,000. So if you are eligible for 200,000, kita bagi tu 200,000 je. Alright. And then the tenure dia, jumlah loan you punya pinjaman tu, alright, it's minimum of 2 months. Maksudnya you boleh pinjam 2 bulan je. Atau maksimum 24 bulan, 2 years. So if you are eligible, we will give you depending on your business model, depending on your income, and depending on how long you want to pay. Alright, minimum 2 bulan, maximum 2 tahun. So yeah. And then this is a working capital. Maksud dia skim kita working capital dan untuk beli raw material. Kita guna Islamic concept, so we call it muharabah dan mudarabah. So this is just a concept, don't worry about it. But then again, in a nutshell, secara teknikalnya, you boleh apply untuk working capital dan purchase raw material. Why working capital? We know that some PKS need the financing power untuk hire new people. Maksudnya you ada, let's say now you jual tudung lah, example, right? You want to hire a social media specialist. So you can come to us. You can use this working capital to hire or engage third party company untuk promote your product. Atau you can always, if let's say you got a contract to supply, let's say raw material, pencil ke, buku ke, but you don't have the capacity for now to pay a deposit or what, you can come to us. We can always give you this. That's no issue. And then, I don't think we have in the slides, so, but let me tell you this, okay, daripada hari you minta, you masuk dalam website kita, nusacapital.com, sampai approval, maksimum 7 hari saja. If let's say, every document is complete, you dah lengkapkan dokumen masa you submit, and then you are eligible, within 48 hours atau 3 hari, kita akan bagi you loan terus. So as long as it is approved, it is eligible and you meet up with all our criteria, semua checklist you dah lepas, kita boleh bagi secepat 7 hari. Meaning 30,000 ke 200,000 tu 7 hari je dapat duit lah. Then you can start to expand your business. Alright. So I'm gonna end it now because you guys have been listening for quite some time about P2P. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me. Just angkat tangan je, then you can ask any questions. Anyone? Kalau tak ada, I'm gonna end this. Okay. Alright. Thank you so much.